In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a water repellent wall. First of all, you need to drill a hole in the wall. Then, you need to put a white stick in the hole. What is this for? In fact, this is a special wall repellent technology. The stick is made by a waterproof machine. It can play a very good water repellent role, so how did he do it? First of all, you need to know that there is a lot of underground water under the foundation of some houses. The water produced by them will spread upward through the gaps in the wall. As time goes by, it will not only cause mold on the wall and the wall skin to fall off, more seriously, it will affect the credibility of the cement and reduce the quality of the wall. So if you can't get out of the underground water, you can only do it on the wall. At first, use the electrodes to make a hole in the cement gap at the base of the wall. These small holes are arranged into a row. After cleaning out the excess dust inside, put the anti-molding stick in. Because they are essentially waterproof, they will naturally decompose when they encounter water vapor. It spreads in the wall and forms a layer of barrier, which effectively prevents the rise of water vapor. In addition, there is a simpler way. First, remove the entire wall skin. In the same way, continue to make dozens of small holes at the base of the wall. But the difference is that the anti-molding stick is not filled here, but the anti-molding frost. Use the glue gun to hit the hole. Their existence can more directly block the spread of water vapor and prevent the quality of the wall from being affected. What do you think? Isn't this amazing?